This is the latest in dancehall and social media news so far. Social media travel vlogger Katie Koff travels. Came to Jamaica to tell people not to come to Jamaica, or did she come to show the world the side of Jamaica they didn't see? Katie gets a don't come back to Jamaica after she keeps hinting that Jamaica is a dangerous place.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
According to Katie, Coronation Market is the most dangerous market, not to mention her keep telling people that ackee, which is Jamaica's national dish, is dangerous. Like beef, for real danger is everywhere.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
So this is Jamaica's national fruit. This is an ackee, and what people don't know is that it is poisonous to eat raw. So
if this vlogger actually did research, she would see that the fruit ackee is only poisonous when it is forced open, and that the pink substance in the middle is actually what carries the poison. Rastas here, the real ones. Eat ackee raw. Please don't assume, instead ask a Jamaican and stop spreading false information.
Miss, do not come back to Jamaica. Who sent you? Who you working for? Are you a spy? What did they tell you? Miss, do not come out here. You come out here, do your flag. You come like say you just come to dig up some sitting upon way. Coronation Market are the most dangerous market in the whole entire Caribbean. And you not get a beat down there, miss. You're walking up and down nicely. You're decent. The lady come over to you and ask you, oh, who give you permission to film? Until she find out, say, are you, oh, you so dangerous, why they never gang you? Everything dangerous. You see Bob Marley train and picnic playing around it, but it is very dangerous. The ackee, what your name is dangerous, cause it pie. Miss, you know, say ackee can't name. Why you not Google some information about the thing before you come a video on that wall? Why they never take away your phone from you? Who sent you? Ackee can't eat raw. Pull out the seed, clean it out, eat it as a fruit. A foreign people make me know this. Be there market and see them buy the ackee and clean it out and eat them, walk and eat it out, it's sweet and nice. But it is poisonous. You go down a hero circle, make you not go buy the crab. Why Alice never done if you give a load of crap in a one bag? Everybody didn't know about Alice. You go a hero circle, and then the crab you go for buy. Have you got talk with Alice the chicken and sit? You go pan the train, Bob Marley train, you know, show one little historical thing. No, it dangerous. When you did go in at the front part, they little put in and they lock you up, lock you in and you can't come out. You just come to Jamaica for report about bad things. Me see you in some bush at about you in the jungles of Jamaica. You say we are jungle, miss. You in some bush. You tell people say they can't go to beach because it's so far. Beach there where they can walk, go drive, go jump in a everyday free beach. Me not say some of our properties them not sell out for true. But public beach there where people can go as them feel alive. Why you they talk them miss? Who sent you? No man, me feel say you're a spy. Then if you take you back in the country. The only video I see you do where you have something good for say is the jelly. And like you couldn't find nothing for say about the jelly. The man watch at the jelly. But I listen for you yesterday, he dangerous the way I cut it. Because everything out here is dangerous. I was listening for you to say that it is very dangerous, so he cuts the coconut. Miss, please do not come back out here. We know what we have. Tourists love we area. You not do nothing to help we. You come, you talk about the laundry mat. Them Miss Jamaicans use their hand and wash or them buy them washing machine. We cannot afford to go to laundry mat. Every single Jamaican nowadays I think have a washing machine in their house, and if they don't, they know if you sit down over them bad pan and wash them dirty clothes. Why are the laundry mat for uno? You know say $25 I for uno. What can I use uno and I wash so what you complain about? What you not talk about? Why you not talk about? Do not come back out here, miss. I am warning you, because if you buck up on me, then I'm going to say you buck up on one of the most dangerous Jamaicans. Yeah. Do not come back out here. I will let more things actually me can't remember them. Practically about 10 video. And out of the 10 video, I probably one you know say something dangerous. One you know say something dangerous, and it's the jelly coconut when the man chappy gear. I mean was listening for you. No man, you are the weapon that farm against us, man. You are Miss Katie, you are the weapons that farm against Jamaican. Yeah. Oh, me forgot that part too. Oh, this is all you buy beer in Jamaica. So you're not gonna no nice little pub bar, anything go out there nice restaurant beer and get it with a glass of ice or with a napkin or a bottle. You're not going to a nice place, you're going to one place downtown or where you turn it and you tell people say this is how them buy beer in Jamaica. Now you go buy your beer, you get $150 change. You buy one worker, one Lucas here, and somebody else one Dragon. And then you say, this is how you buy beer in Jamaica, you have to buy for half of people. You're going to the store, go buy half the store drinks. You buy one Lucas here for one worker and a Dragon Stout for somebody what you promise. And you say you fi stop it. You fi stop it. Which half of the store you buy drink? Make it look like we little and cream. That part that it burn me too. That's also apparently when you go into a store to buy a beer, you have to buy. How much drink you buy? Me did something say the lady say one Lucas here and 2 Dragon Stout. The worker get the Lucas here, you get the Dragon Stout to this man. So which half of the shop you buy liquor? Can you look like you could even look here, miss? Do not come back out here, miss. Please and thanks. And goodbye.
The only thing dangerous right now is you spreading false information and not asking a regular Jamaican to tell you what you obviously don't really understand. Miss Kitty allegedly cheats on her husband Ian Wilkinson, and now he wants a DNA test done.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I guess what he really trying to say is Daddy Daycare is not the father of Miss Kitty's child. According to 119, an influencer on TikTok and also an ex of Miss Kitty, he had told Miss Kitty's husband to do a DNA, and apparently she refuses to cooperate.
You are not the father.
I'm kind of side-eyeing Miss Kitty because for a big ex-lawyer and someone with her education, if this is true allegations, then is the big man ya tri-tech fee idiot. Not to mention how she classed unmarried girls that are baby mothers the other day and made a spectacle of herself. The universe has a way of humbling us. There's also allegations circulating that she and her work husband, as seen above Dennis Brooks, might be having a secret affair.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
The two look way too cozy in this picture.
Me hear say, me baby mother husband and ask her if do DNA test now. It's all over social media. Say me baby mother husband want a DNA test. From the baby born. From the baby born. The first thing me come out and say, he me tell him if he go do a DNA test. And he sit down there like an idiot. Look how long me tell you if you do a DNA test. Look from when. Look from when me tell you if you go and do a DNA test.
Stop it. Get some help.
Pan the baby. And now you come boy you want to do DNA test? Because if you do the DNA test, you're going to get a surprise, you get a shock. Now it's all over the internet now, all over social media. My baby mother is trending again because everybody I say her husband asked her for DNA test and she said she not do no DNA test. Them all I say her husband filed divorce. Me not believe that. Me not believe her husband filed divorce. Her husband fee say me and her still a touch on the quiet.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Me no kiss and tell. Me no talk. Me no depend that. Me no come here so to talk about that. When me come here so to talk about, is that me want the three we go up on the Maury show. Me want the three we to go on the Maury show and do the DNA live on the Maury show. Me want we do the DNA, make the world see a fool for Pitney.
Stop it. Get some help.
Because me tell him long time, me tell him, say go do the DNA test. And me don't know if afraid or what. Me don't know if afraid. But me hear say she not do no DNA. And that, the vloggers and the bloggers and couple of them come out and I say them have it from good source. Say she not agree to no DNA. But as me know, me want the DNA to be done and me want it to be done for Maury. Me want the three we go for Maury for the reveal. Imagine when Maury put up my little daughter picture, put up the man picture and put up for me picture. I want Maury put up the mother picture, the husband picture, my daughter picture, my picture. And she a run up. And I said, look at the nose, look at the mouth, look at the eyes.
Is 119 being delusional? Or do you think there might be something to this story? There is currently a trend on TikTok they call women in men fields, showing Jamaican women expressing what they do men in relationships, which actually is a reflection of the many lies Jamaican men tell Jamaican females regularly when they cheat. And it has gone viral because a lot is being said you can pause to read. And viral means the comments section had lots to mention and the women were hyped and expressed themselves. What's your personal opinion on this?
Stop it. Get some help.
It's a wicked gal era now. Jamaican women are showing men that they will take action if they even try it. Some women just showing that they are becoming savages. Who do you think tell more lies in relationships, men or women?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
And a lot of what these women are saying is what most Jamaican men are doing to women.
Hey, you see this women in men's field challenge are exactly what women them are doing. You feel a joke thing are exactly what them are do. When you continue to inform on yourself, man, make we be aware on the style, you see me?
Rose's mother wins $85,000 from a gambling box and then gets unalived.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is so sad. I can't tell you how careful you have to be at this time of the year. Please be careful because this is the time when pickpockets and people up to no good be seeking to take what they think is theirs.